Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Students, I am going to start my social studies lecture. Let's start with me. Students, as you know, we are discussing about unit number 6, history and rights, lesson number 13, early people. Dear students, in previous lecture we discussed about early people, archaeologists, anthropology, some of the things that people have learned, fire, tools, and today we will talk about the wheel. Students, when human beings first began to plant crops, they had to clear the land. They began to move big stones with a lever. Students, a lever is a strong rod or bar that is used to move a load. By using force at the other end opposite to the load, some stones were too big to move easily. Students, with time people started agriculture, so they had to clear the land. For this purpose, early people used heavy stones. Students, in this picture you can see people are using lever for moving the heavy load. Students, as we discussed that a lever is a strong rod or bar that is used to move a load. Students, doing work in this way is quite difficult. Students, gradually they discovered that when the stone was pushed onto a few slim logs of wood, it could be moved easily. The logs of wood rolled along the surface of the ground. This gave people the idea for the wheel. Students, now we will discuss in detail about the story of the wheel. Early human beings had to carry loads on their backs. Later, they used sledges to pull heavy loads. Students, it was difficult to pull a sledge with a load. Then they started pulling sledges with the help of animals. One day, early man saw a round stone rolling down the hills. For this to go the idea of wheel, the first wheels must have been round logs of wood. Students, slowly he improved the round log. He cut a slice from a log of wood and made a hole in its center. Thus, the first wheel was invented. It made man's life easy. Students, now wheels were put to various uses. Pots were made on the potter's wheel. The wheel laid the foundation of machine age. Students, slowly man developed many new vehicles: cycle rickshaw, car, bus, truck, etc. All these vehicles move on wheels. Students, soon they invented an axle as well. Students, the axle is the rod that holds the wheels at each of its two ends. These two inventions changed human life completely. Today, it is difficult to imagine the world without wheels. Students, they are used in many machines in different ways and in vehicles. Students, great inventions that changed history is the wheel. Students, the wheel, which was invented thousands of years ago, has made our life easy. Now we can move over long distances with speed in a very short time. Now we will discuss about its question number 3 and 4. Students, as you know that today is Monday, 30th November 2020, and ready a sketch on your notebook as I do on the board of unit number 6, lesson number 13, early people. And our third question is, what tools help early people to move heavy loads? Students, let's take its overview. Students, as we discussed during the reading that a lever is a strong rod or bar that is used to move a load by using force at the other end opposite to the load. The answer of our question is, logs of wood and a lever were used by early people to move heavy loads. Students, our next question is, in what ways do we use wheels today? Students, the answer of our question is, wheels are used in bicycles, motorcycles, cars, buses, trucks, steamrollers, turbines, carts, and aircrafts, and different kinds of machines. Students, I hope you understand today's lecture. Learn and write these questions on your notebook. Keep studying. Take care. Allah Hafiz.